We've got a little group of, I grew up in the South, and in the South it's hot. You don't learn this stuff, but as I've gotten to where I live a little more in the North, I don't, but what I've learned is layers. So these are all meant for being layers, and like little, like long sleeve sweater set, 195s, a pair of yoga pants, or a pair of leggings under yoga pants, and they're all just really nice fabrics, and they're all $10.99. So today and tomorrow. So I got this collection together. They're all Alexander Wang. Some are just super nice. I mean, they could be used for other things for sure, but I just want to show them to you. Like this one, this is a white. They all have two-way stretch. You don't necessarily need to use the shiny side, or you can, but the matte side is really nice. And this is a little bit more weight in a white. I put these together so you can kind of see the difference, whereas this is much lighter. And again, stretch in both directions. But just a real light, sheer fabric. Then we go to a gray. Sometimes these are referred to as second skins. Cotton poly, cotton poly. This is a cotton poly. But this last two, this is kind of a really pretty green. And there's no reason you couldn't do something else with them. But they came into us as underpinnings, basically, is what they had been used for. But again, really nice. This one is thin, but it's 100% cotton. Stretch in both directions. It's a really pretty fabric. And again, $10.99. This is a black. Of course, 100% cotton on this also. So just a really good opportunity to kind of put in your stash a collection of different colors and lightweights for underneath things, or even linings. They would be great as linings. This would be great as a lining. I mean, all of them. They're just really good as linings. So anyway, happy sewing for $10.99.